Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting everything within reach: the Tiqmo card, a valid ID, and your smartphone. Open the Tiqmo app and sign in or create an account. This verifies who you are. Once done, make sure camera and location permissions are enabled so the app can scan and confirm the card. Why? Because accurate ID and connectivity speed the verification and prevent rejects. Now tap Add Card to begin the physical card capture step. Next, you scan the card. Align edges within the on-screen guide and hold steady until both sides are captured. If the scan misreads, type the card number, expiration, and CVV manually. This ensures accuracy. Then confirm the cardholder name and billing address exactly as on file. Mismatches cause declines. Once the app shows a verification preview, review and accept the terms. This step links the physical card to your account, enabling transaction. Finish by activating the card. Enter the PIN or one-time code the app provides. After activation, run a $0 or $1 authorization to confirm the card is live. This proves the network connection and availability. If the test declines, make sure your billing address matches bank records, update the app, and retry the scan. Sometimes cleaning the camera lens fixes capture errors. If problems persist, contact Tiqmo support with a screenshot, and the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.